Guys, hope you're doing well today. I have a collective beauty and makeup haul, and I've had this stuff throughout the month of March. I made some purchases. I got two things from Octoly. I did get an Influenster Vox box. If you want to see looks with any of these products, just let me know down below, and I'm going to get into it because I have a decent amount of stuff to share with you. First, I'm going to start off with one boring item. I purchased the Ulta Beauty Peach Nectar Shower Gel Bubble Bath and Shampoo, and this is their 3-in-1 smoothie, and I've used up about that much, and it looks like my family got water in here. They claimed they didn't, but I'm pretty sure they did because it's not usually this liquidy, but this smells pretty good. I did shave with it the other day, and I still prefer the Bath & Body Works shower gels, but this is about $16. You can always get them on sale, or they have deals for them, and I just wanted to try it out, and I think this will last me for a couple months. You probably won't see a body wash empty in my empties videos for a while. Next, I made a couple purchases at TJ Maxx. First thing that I have is this repurchase of The Body Shop Early Harvest Raspberry Body Butter, and I've gone through 2 or 3 of these. I love this. That's what it looks like. It just smells like fresh raspberries. I love it. I would probably go back and purchase another one. I think they had about 4 when I was there. They actually had some good stuff, and I try not to go there all the time because I always make impulse purchases there, but I love getting my lotions and scrubs from there. I love this body butter so much. I've talked about it in my 2017 beauty and makeup favorites, so I'll link that up in the cards if you want to check it out. This is one of my favorite body products ever. And then this is actually what I'm wearing on my lips today. This is a mini of the Faced La Creme lipstick in Nude Beach. This was $4, I believe, or $3.99, and I just wanted to try it out. I've always wanted to try out these lipsticks, and also this body butter was $6.99, so they did up the price. These are usually $6, and now they're $7 at Marshall's. But anyway, here is a swatch of Nude Beach, and you can see it on my lips as well. It is really pretty. It is a warm tone sheer nude color, and I've been loving these more sheer and comfortable lip colors. Here's what the color looks like in the tube, and it doesn't come with a whole lot of product. For $4, it is pretty pricey, but I've always wanted to try out these lipsticks, and I thought this was the perfect chance to without buying the full size. But honestly, I would probably buy a full size once I finish up my other lip products. I'm gonna get my 2 Octoly products out of the way. If you're new to Octoly, you have to qualify for it. I actually wasn't qualified for a while. I'd recently had an account within the last couple years or so. They deleted it because they changed the rules, and now I asked to be a part of it again, and they approved me. But basically, it is a way for influencers to get PR from different types of brands. They have high-end brands, drugstore brands, indie brands, and it is a really cool platform to get some PR. I got 2 products recently, and this first one is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter. I already did my review on both of these products in my Get Ready With Me with my ABH Modern Renaissance palette, which I will show in this video. But this is a nice lip balm. It doesn't come with a whole lot of product because of the size of it. It is very wide, but it only comes with about, I would say that much because I've used up about that much of the product. It smells really nice. I think it smells like caramel, but also smells like oatmeal, which I think is really nice. It does not smell like the Brazilian Crush scent, which is in their body cream and their body mist. But I do like it. It's not the best lip balm ever. I wouldn't repurchase it, but I will use it up. I think this is like an $18 lip balm, so it's pretty pricey, but I've always wanted to try this since I saw this line come out. And then next I got this Pure On Point eyeliner in Down to Earth. So this is just a basic brown eyeliner, but it actually sharpens itself, which is pretty cool. I don't really know how to tell how much actual product is in this tube because I can't like twist it up like a normal eyeliner, but it does sharpen itself, which is nice, and it is a really creamy brown eyeliner. It's not the best eyeliner in the world. I honestly prefer drugstore liners, and I do have an Essence one, which I've been really enjoying. But this one's fine, and I have been enjoying using it because I like having a black and a brown. So thank you, Octoly, Sol de Janeiro, and Pure for letting me try out those products and sending them to me. I really appreciate it. Now onto my Influenster Vox box. I was recently sent 3 of the Grande Cosmetics products, and I believe they sell lash products and lip plumpers. I'm not really sure what else they sell, but I received the Grande Mascara, the primer, and the Lash-Enhancing treatment. So I've been using the lash treatment, which looks like this. It is in a gold tube right here, which is pretty, and it does feel pretty expensive, which is nice. And it does look like a liquid liner, just like clear, and I've used it 2 or 3 times already. I really haven't noticed a difference yet because I think you're supposed to tell in about 30 days or so. I'm excited to try this because I feel like my lashes have not been that great lately. They look fine with mascara on, but without the mascara, I feel like they look non-existent. So I'm hoping to see some results from this one. And then I haven't tried the mascara or the primer yet, so here's what the mascara looks like. I'm not going to open it because I already have 2 mascaras open currently. I'm hoping to use one up in the next month or so. So here's what the mascara looks like. It is also in a gold tube, and it does feel pretty expensive as well. This is their lash boosting formula, and let's see what their claims are here. It says it's supposed to provide extreme volume and length, condition, peptide formula, fiber brush reaches every lash in one coat, clump free, water resistant, and easily removable. I'll let you guys know probably in like future empties videos or get ready with me is how I like this mascara, but I probably won't open this until the end of the month or so because I'm hoping to finish up one mascara and I don't want to have a bunch open at once. And then I also received this lash primer, and honestly I'm not that into lash primers. I will probably have someone else try this and let me know how it is. And it says fortified with lash plumping peptides. So we'll see how this is. Like I said, I probably will not keep this one because I don't use a lash primer. I don't have time for that. Thank you to Grande Cosmetics and Influenster for sending these products for me to review and letting me try them out. Next, I have a few things from Ulta. The first thing is this Catrice Liquid Metal Eyeshadow in Golden Roses, and this is gorgeous. This is a really pretty gold color. And it is kind of like a baked formula, but not really. It applies really pretty to the eyes, and as you guys know, I love my gold shadows. This actually came in a trio, but I only decided to keep one of the eyeshadows, and I chose this one because you guys know how much I love my golds. It is really pretty, and I think it is a dupe for Too Faced Honey Pot eyeshadow. I used that one up in my Pan That palette, and I'll probably move on to this one soon, but it is beautiful. I think it's actually more intense than Too Faced Honey Pot, but I'm enjoying this, and I did include the other 2 eyeshadows in that trio in my giveaway pile. I got another lipstick, and this is the Essence lipstick in Come Naturally, and this is a really pretty, it looks like a very cool toned nude color, but it is very sheer like that Too Faced lipstick, and I got this for like $1.19 because they were on sale when I got them, and like I said, I've been really into sheer lipsticks, and these are extremely comfortable. Here's what a swatch of the lipstick looks like. And it looks like a sheer pink on my lips, which I really like, especially for work, because when I apply liquid lipstick for work, I feel like it just feels crusty at the end of the day, and this I can reapply a few times, and I feel like my lips just feel refreshed with them, so I'm really enjoying this lipstick so far. I actually bought a backup to put in my giveaway pile, so you guys eventually will receive one of those when I eventually decide to do another giveaway. I got 2 high-end palettes recently, and this one is actually a smaller face palette. This is the Tarte Hamptons Weekender Contour Palette, and this packaging is super cute. And I've been wanting this the past few times I have went to Ulta and Sephora. I've swatched it, I've looked at it, and it's just really cute, and I feel like this will be perfect for traveling and just perfect for every day. So here are what the colors look like. It has a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. The highlighter is Beach Getaway. The blush is Summer House, and then the bronzer is Farmer's Market. I'm gonna go off camera and swatch these real quick. Here what the swatches looks like. Here's the bronzer, the blush, and the highlighter, and I really like this. The formula is really nice. It does come with a little mirror as well, and I think this is like the perfect size, and the colors are really nice. The bronzer is a little bit dark for me, so I like to use that as a contour. The blush is gorgeous, and the highlighter is super pretty as well. I personally think this is a really good purchase for me because I don't have a ton of like face powder products. I'm very excited about this purchase. This is the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I purchased this when these were $25. I wanted to keep it for myself, then I put it in my giveaway pile, and then I took it out because the colors are just so pretty. Here's what the palette looks like. You guys have seen it all over YouTube. It's definitely a very warm tone palette with some pops of berry, and these colors are so blendable. They are so pretty. I'm not going to swatch it because you guys have seen swatches and so many videos of this. I definitely want to get more use out of it. I've only used it once because I have been focusing on my Project Pan Porn and Pan That palette, but I'll probably do a look with it this week. These are such nice eyeshadows. I love the Anastasia formula. I got 2 products from Walmart, and they are both repurchases. The first one is a repurchase of my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and this is in the shade Porcelain. They actually have a lighter shade. They were out of it at the time when I went to Walmart, so I just picked up my Porcelain one, but they do have a lighter shade than Porcelain. I think they have like 7 shades total, which is a total shade range, so I definitely could use improvements on that, of course, but I really enjoy the finish of this foundation. This is my 3rd bottle, and I just love it. It's a medium buildable coverage, and this is too dark for me. It's perfect for me when I'm self-tanned or just regular tanned by the sun, but when I'm at my fairest, which is currently, it's too dark for me, so I will mix it with my Hard Candy Glamouflage. I love this foundation. If you don't get a full ounce, which sucks, but I like it. It's only $6, and like I said, this is the third time I've repurchased it. And then I did repurchase the Real Techniques face sponge. The last time I had this was about a year ago, and it did kind of die within like a week or so, but I've been missing it. I decided to try this one out again. I'm hoping it lasts longer than the previous one I had of these did, but I've gone through so many of these sponges. I love the shape of it. It has the flat edge, and it has that pointy edge for concealer. And then finally, I decided to subscribe to Sephora Play. I know a lot of people are canceling their subscriptions, but I just wanted to try it because I haven't before, and I honestly don't get or have a ton of samples. So this is my first bag, and the bag is super cute. It says beauty is my spirit animal, and I love the color of this. The first thing I pulled out is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. I know Thrifty Beauty or Paige loves this product. I'm going to try to pull it out without ripping the packaging off. So here is what the little sample size looks like. I think I've tried this a couple years ago, but I haven't used it in a while. I don't really remember how I felt about it, but I do have 2 liquid liners going right now, so I won't get to this one for a while. But this is supposed to be a really good liquid eyeliner. The product that I pulled out is this Supergoop Defense Refresh Setting Mist with Broad Spectrum SPF 50, and it is supposed to be a makeup setting spray with SPF in it, and I will use this after I finish my Mario Badescu spray. I'm not super excited about this one because I don't really like setting sprays with SPF. I'm probably weird, but I just don't like it. I'm hoping it smells okay, but this is a decent sized sample, I feel. Not super excited about this one, but it's fine. And then next I have this Catrice Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. I was really hoping I'd be getting a cleanser because I go to Matt's to visit him at college about once a month, and I always have to use their cleanser in the shower because if I bring like a full bottle of cleanser, that'll just take up so much space. So I'm glad I have a little travel size to take with me for when I go up to visit him and for future trips this summer. Next I have this little sample of the Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. Not super excited about this one, but I can probably go through this in a few uses. I'm not super excited about the final 2 products because they are both hair masks, and I feel like they should have put like another different type of product in, but I will use them. My hair needs some hydration. So the first one is this Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and this comes like in a foil packet sample, but I actually feel like this has a decent amount of product in it compared to other foil packets, and I've heard good things about Amika. I'll probably use this next time I wash my hair. And then the next one is this IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm, and I haven't heard much about IGK, but again, this is just a little hair mask. I will use this up, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts in my future empties videos on all of these products. So for my first Sephora Play bag, I'm not super impressed with all of the products that were sent, but I'm excited about a couple of them, especially the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Liner, and then I'm excited to have a cleanser for travel. I almost forgot this product because I purchased it at Ulta, and this is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and you guys know how much I love this. Here's what the wand looks like. I prefer this style of liquid liner compared to a pen. I feel like it's more precise. I feel like I can get my wings a little bit better. And the other day when I used my NYX Epic Ink liner pen to do my wing, it like bled into my crease because I have very hooded eyes, and this does not do that. I prefer this one to the NYX Epic Ink liner pen. I kind of combine both of these together, and I do like them for separate purposes, but personally I prefer this one over the Epic Ink liner. So that was everything for the month of March for my beauty purchases and a couple things that were sent to me for free to review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you later. Bye.